Kwentuhan ko kayo sa linggo. Bye! Kumusta na kayo, audience? Okay ba, nag-Valentine kayo sa panahon papalapit ang Pasko? Papasalamatan po natin ang mga gwapong models na nasa parang hindi ko masyadong alam, nandyan lang sila, na aking katabi na nagbigay sa inyo ng mga roses. From Ideal People, thank you, Paolo La Rosa. Thank you, Paolo. Thank you. And John De Guzman. Thank you, John. And Jason Saginsin. Thank you. You're all cute. And ayan, nagbigay lang dahil inutos lang eh. Ayan. Ayan talaga. Okay. Up to what extent do you think nakatulong sa inyo yung good looks? Serious tayo ulit.
Serious na ulit.
Good looks nyo. Siyempre, it helps give you a hand up sa showbiz, di ba? I mean, come on, di ba? Pag gusto mo mag-artista, hindi naman pwedeng mabait ka lang. So, ikaw, how many percent siguro sa iyong kinasikat?
Siguro, yun lang yung parang swerte lang siguro sa amin. Parang hindi masyado naging mahirap makapasok as to the others na medyo mas mahirap.
Ikaw naman, Jeff.
Ayan, same as Jake. For me, it was easy to get in the business, but not because na ganito.
Anak ka.
Yeah, it was because of my parents, the family. Pero mahirap rin kasi because of my parents, people are expecting a lot. Marami pang kailangan pag-aralan talaga before I can reach what they ever achieved.
But you have the
talaga.
best teachers, di ba?
Yes, that's true.
Like Marco. Marco, you.
Akin naman po, kasi bago po ako nag-artista, I began as a musician. Rock kami, so mabigat yung...
Singer ka or did you play? You were the lead, okay.
Yes, ma'am. So, nakatulong siya sa pag-crossover.
John, what about you?
Ako naman, katulad ng sabi nila, madaling mapumasok sa showbiz. Pero when they give you the chance, you have to prove yourself.
You guys probably may nakita sa inyo din ng audience at ang stasyon to, to kind of nurture that and give you support because it's not just good looks, right? And that's why I like having guys like you here on the show.
Thank you.
Diba?
It's nice being here. That's how I know.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, bro. So much fun.
Ayan, kung hindi naman kayo napasok sa showbiz, anong tingin yung career ninyo ngayon?
When I worked in a bank.
You worked in a bank?
Nagtatrabaho ko sa bangko sa bansa namin. So,
Were you able to finish school?
I finished college. I did business in college. Tapos nagtrabaho ako sa bangko for 3 years. Then I came to
You
the
enjoyed it
Philippines.
naman.
It was okay. A bit boring.
Not as much as
A bit
you.
boring.
Oo nga, no? Oh, what about you, Marco?
Musikero pa rin siguro.
Musikero talaga. You get that talaga from your parents and still on the artistic side. And you handsome boy.
If I didn't go showbiz, I probably would have stayed in school and I'd probably be a doctor right now.
Doctor! Kasi lasalista naman dali mo, di ba? What about you, Jake?
Yeah, I'd
Tingin
probably
mo.
still be in school. Kasi 20 pa lang ako eh. So, kasi like my friends in high school, they're
Bata
all
naman
still in
ito.
college. So,
That's how young you are?
Yeah, muna 20.
Anyway, though hinahangaan yung ating mga guests, mga kaibigan, naubod ng gwapo at saksakan ng sexy, nakakasiguro may iba pa kayong hinahangaan na mas malapit naman sa inyong mga puso, di ba? Para magkaroon kayo ng pagkakataon na magkaroon namang date, di ba? Ay, yung personal ninyong male favorite naman na makasama nyo, hindi yung iniidolo natin. Magbibigay po kami ng 2 gift certificates for dinner for 2. O yan. O naku, magkakasama kayong barkada. Talaga, napipil ko yan. Courtesy of Goosey Restaurant, located po sa Esguerra Avenue, dito po sa Quezon City. Thank you, Mr. Rod Velasco, for the gift certificates. And ang aming guests ang mag-aabot naman ng mananalo ng gift certificate with matching tight hug tsaka pa-request ng kiss. Okay, tingnan lang po ninyo ang ilalim ng inyong upuan. Ang makakakita ng pulang sticker ay ang makakatanggap ng gift certificate. Ayan, come here, please join us here. Hello? Come here, darling. Wow! Sige, interviewin muna natin.
Yun.
Hi.
Hi, girls.
Congrats.
Hello, hello.
Oh, guys, yakap naman sa girls.
Oh, congratulations, girls.
Okay, mga kaibigan, habang nagkakakilalanan po sila, duda ko mamaya hindi nabibigay sa boyfriend ko. Magbabalik po Cristobal of the Bing Cristobal House of Fashion. And Filia for my shoes, Rochas for my eyewear. Pin Antonio of Antonio's Hairdressing, located at El Jardín Presidente Sergeant Esguerra, dito po sa Quezon City. Miss Gina Llamanzares of Play and Display. Mr. Ramon and Mrs. Jeanette Alba of Alba Catering for our food tonight. And from the producers of Pinoy Big Brother and Pinoy Dream Academy, inahahatid po ng ABS-CBN at Endemol ang Pinoy Fear Factor. Magsisimula na po bukas, hosted by Ryan Agoncillo, my brother-in-law. Shot in Buenos Aires, Argentina. So they really went there. Grabe, it's fabulous, fascinating, nakakatakot talaga. At galing. So bukas na po yan, Pinoy Fear Factor. So thank you so much, John Avila again.
Salamat po. Thank you for
Marco,
having me.
hope to see you here again. And of course, Jet, thank you. And Jake. Thank you, Jake. Salamat sa inyong lahat. You made everybody happy, actually. Hindi lang ang ating studio audience, kundi sa buong mundo kung saan may TFC at dito sa Pilipinas.
Maraming salamat po sa studio audience saka sa lahat po nanonood.
Jeff, you wanna say
Yes.
anything to your fans?
Thank you for coming here and sobrang saya po. Sobrang saya. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Just check out my band's website, kwan.net.
Hi, Mommy of Marco. Direk, I miss you.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you, studio audience. Capamilias. Stay Capamilias.
Okay, now, can you guys do this number with me? It's about you. Hot stuff, you know? Para po sa'yo, join us naman. Oo. Come on, everybody stand up. Pagkakataon na natin to. Magkaroon ng sarili nating club. Sitting here in my heart, I'm waiting for some lover to call. Dialed about 1,000 numbers lately. Almost rang the phone off the wall.